Day and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a tutorial on Bitcoin arbitrage on Binance. How you can buy Bitcoin on Binance and you still sell it on Binance and you make up to 30,000 to 38,000 a day. It depends on how many trades you can involve yourself in, and it also depends on your capital. Now, if this is your first time of coming to my channel or coming across my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Like this video because I'm going to be coming your way at least 3 times in a week to tell you profitable arbitrage that can skyrocket your income within a short time. You can just take 2 seconds to do that, even as you are watching this tutorial at the moment. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is a BTC NGN. That is BTC Naira. Buying BTC with Nigerian Naira. There are two ways you can buy BTC on Binance. Either you buy it through USDT or you buy it through Nigerian Naira. But the one I'm discussing now for this arbitrage is the one on Nigeria Naira. Now you go back to click on BTC/Naira. Yeah, you can see at this moment the BTC/Naira here is just 54 million 987,000, or let's say no, they just call it 55 million approximately. Now, if you perhaps want to trade directly with Naira, I haven't bought it here in normal trading platform. This is a normal trading platform of Binance. Now, let's compare the price here where you are going to sell it. Here is 55 million approximately, for the sellers, and for those that are asking for to buy, to sell and to buy. You can see the green, those green icons here. They are different from those ones at the top, the red. Those are the want to sell are the one asking. They're asking for 55 million, and those who want to buy below are asking for 54 million. Now, let's go to the P2P. Now, you click to P2P, that is person to person. After you have bought it here, you are going to sell it at P2P. So, let's click at P2P, just above the screen. So, it will take you to this interface. So, when you get to this interface, you see USDT here. We are not interested in USDT. Just click the drop down menu to take you to BTC. You see BTC there, the second row there. You click on BTC. So when you click on BTC, you can see it will bring you here. Now you can see here that for you to sell your BTC after you have purchased it for 55 million, the sale price here is 57 million 834 915 naira. You see the difference? The difference here, let's calculate the difference. You can see from here. Let's just assume like I know approximately 50 57 800 57 million 800 57 million 800,000 57 million 800,000. Now minus, that means if you just want to do the calculation, the difference now, because your capital may not be up to 57 million. Then let's say 55 million approximately. 5 million approximately. You can see that's 2.8 million. Now let's assume let's go back to the interface. Let's go back to the interface. It depends on your capital. Let's go back to the buying directly from Binance. Now, okay, before we come back here, let me go back to P2P. Let me show you something, because we are going to be seeing different merchants. Different merchants who are selling. Let's look at what they are what they are offering. Now, this first merchant here is offering 1.7 million minimum. This is what we have to take note of. 1.7 million to 22 million. The next merchant here is offering 1.5 million. So it depends on your capital. The higher your capital, the higher your profit. So this next one is 2 million, 1.8 million, 1 million. Okay, let's assume this 1.4 million, 1 million. Now, as you are going, you have to continuously scroll down to see within the range that your capital can accommodate. You have 10 million. We have 1.5. Okay, we have 1 million. Okay, let's assume now you want to trade with 1 million naira. Some guys have 1 million up to 1 million that they just kept not there in the bank. Even some of us have up to 1 million, even in Binance, without knowing what to use it to do. Now, let's assume you have 1 million naira now, and this one now is selling between 1 million to 22 million, but its price here is 57 million 476. Let's just say 477,000 approximately. So let's go back to the interface. Let's go back to the Binance interface. Okay, now let's assume now that from this end you are buying at 54 million and you are using 1 million naira to buy. 1 million naira to buy. So you bought 1 million. So what is the value of BTC you bought? 0.1818 is what you bought with your 1 million. So now you want to sell at 57 million 477,000. Just click on above here and input 57 million so that you can see what will be our gain. A lot of people don't know this trick, so that's why they can just leave their fund in Binance lying fallow for nothing. So 57 million 57 477 000 57 million 477. You can see there now what is our gain. What is the amount we are selling? We are selling at 1 million 44,931. So let's just do a simple calculation here. What we bought at 1 million, we sold it at 1 million 44 931. So which means we have made a gain of about 44,931. So let's minus 1 million naira. 44,931 just in one trade, and you can repeat this trade severally. I must let you know that this difference may not stay for too long. This difference, maybe before you know it, it may balance up to about making a profit of 22,000 naira. No, but guys, if you're able to do this for 5-6 times, and with your 1 million, you are gaining about 100 plus a day. Within 10 days, you are a millionaire. So this is a very great opportunity for you. Take advantage of it. If you are not having Binance, just go to my description, the description of this video. You will see the link there to register for Binance. Thank you very much. Until when I see you in my next video.